Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate the subscribers, the thumbs up, all that. Thanks very much. Picked up a couple of Mexican Cokes, pure sugar. No corn syrup. Anyway, today I'm going to make a drink called Olde St Tropez No. 2. Comes in at 22%. There's really no recipe out there that nails this one down. If anybody knows the original recipe, let me know. I'll try to make it. But this is what I'm going to make today. 22%. Real pretty drink. Let's see if I can make it pretty. Let's get started. 2 Plantation, 3 stars. The recipe I have is found nowhere on the web today, so I don't know where I got it. Can't give credit to anybody. 1 orange juice. My market was out of Cara Cara, so I've got these Super Gem extra sweet navel oranges. Let's see how these work. 1 orange juice. And 1/2 Persian lime. And evaporated cane. This is pure unadulterated sugar cane, rich, 2-to-1. And 1 V Brothers orange flower water. Got to be careful with this. It's a little bit. And so now I'm going to dry shake this, but first I'm going to spray the inside with Lucid absinthe. Spray the inside of the glass with atomizer. A little bit on the outside rim. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put the ice back in. Dry shake this mixture. And then 2 dashes of Angostura, the aromatic. And a straw. And here we have it, the Olde St Tropez No. 2, 22% ABV. Hope you like it. It's an old recipe. If anybody knows the original recipe out there, please put it in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in subscribing, there's a brown icon right there you can press. And we'll see you all next time.